Are you needing some motivation and inspiration to start spring cleaning? Well, today I'm sharing 5 tangible cleaning hacks of things that are often forgotten about to get you started. Let's go. Hey, I'm Lindsay with Organize to Save, and if we're just meeting, welcome to my channel. I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive with budget-friendly tips, tricks, and digital products to help you declutter and simplify your house. Right now, during these uncertain times when we're all at home a little bit more, it makes keeping your house clean a lot more difficult. Sometimes it can feel like cleaning the house when your kids are still growing is like shoveling the walk when the snow is still falling. So today we're going to come together and I'm going to walk you through a couple simple things, whether you have a couple minutes or the entire day, to deep clean your house, and share with you 5 hacks that will make a big impact on your house and your attitude. A simple thing that you can do that we often forget about is making our beds and tidying our rooms. You want your room to be a sanctuary, a place of rest. So why don't we treat it that way? Take just a minute of your morning to make your bed and pick up anything on your floors. It will give you an instant win for the day, but also keep you feeling less stressed when you go to bed at night, as you're not going to be tripping over anything to get to your bed. Clutter in your physical surroundings will clutter your mind and spirit. I recently have started implementing this as one of my 5 daily habits, and it's making a huge impact on how I start my day. Each day I'm trying to wake up early, make my bed, do 30 minutes of movement, do my devotions, and take 15 minutes to just quickly tidy up the house. So take just a couple minutes from your morning routine and make your bed, and it's going to help set your day off in the right direction. With warmer weather just around the corner, it's time to dust off those fans. This is often a messy job, especially if, like me, you forget about this spot during your regular cleaning. Dust can pile up high and it can be hard to get off, not to mention super gross. A quick cleaning hack is to actually use a pillowcase. Slide the open pillowcase over the fan blade and it will help collect any fallen dust. It makes it super easy to clean off the blades, because we all know that those build up quite a bit of dust. And it's going to help keep the spaces below the fan clean, especially like mine if your fan is above your bed. So I'm curious, what is your favorite or least favorite thing to clean? Let me know down in the comments below. Most of us just empty out the vacuum cleaner and move on. But in order to keep your vacuums running properly so you can clean more effectively, it's important to clean them out. Now, all vacuums are a little bit different, so make sure to check to see how it recommends you clean out yours. You're going to want to clean out the insides, check the blade to see if there's any hair buildup, and then you're also going to want to clean out the filter. Now again, make sure to check and see how it recommends you clean out your filter. For this particular vacuum, it did not say to use water, so there was a little tool that came with it just to dust out the filter, but I know some of them you can run under the water. You're going to want to make sure that you thoroughly clean out the entire thing. Don't forget about those hidden nooks and crannies. I found a huge clump of nasty dust hidden in the wheels of this vacuum, and holy moly, it was gross. Now, one of my favorite hacks to not only have your house look clean by vacuuming, but also smell clean is to sprinkle a few drops of essential oil on your vacuum filter. My favorite is to use the Young Living Purification Oil. And it honestly, when the vacuum is running, it leaves a fresh scent behind. It makes your house smell amazing. Now my vacuum runs so much better and it smells amazing as well. If you're liking these hacks so far, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe so you don't miss any future hack videos. Now, during your regular cleaning, most of the time we focus on the surfaces and the floors. But what about the walls or even the ceiling? And one of my favorite things to use is my Norwex mop. Absolutely love this Norwex mop, and I've started using it on my walls, and I even tried it on the ceilings. holy moly, it cuts down on the time and the energy that I need to invest and makes the room feel refreshed. I honestly did not even know if this was going to work, but holy cow, it took off all of that nasty water condensation buildup and made our ceilings look like we just painted them. You need to give your walls or ceilings a good scrub. Try using a mop like this. I love the Norwex mop because it literally is only water on the mop, so I'm not worrying about chemicals or anything like that staying on the walls. Now this bathroom feels so refreshed, it feels so clean, and who would have thought using a mop to clean my ceilings would make such an impact? We use them every day, but how often do we actually deep clean them? I know for us it's been way too long since we tackled our shower head and really deep cleaned our faucets. For your faucets, especially if you have an old school one like me, these can get so nasty so quickly. And I didn't know that you could actually take the handle off to be able to deep clean them. I ended up using my Norwex paste, and this stuff was like magic. It worked so well. I just used a toothbrush and scrubbed the cleaning paste around the nozzle, cleaned up the handles, and check out the difference. I did not know that that handle could be that shiny. To finish it off, I just used my Norwex EnviroCloth to finish wiping everything down, and then used my Norwex window cloth to finish polishing the faucets. It takes away all the water stains and makes them look so shiny. For your shower head, all you're going to need is equal parts water and white vinegar. I put that in a bag and then wrapped it around the shower head and let it sit for a couple minutes. Now our shower head actually has two different spots, so for the bigger one I couldn't fit a bag around it, but I used my Norwex cleaning paste and a toothbrush and it cleaned it right up. Since cleaning the shower head, it actually functions so much better. So now that we've tackled the inside of our house, if you need some motivation to get the outside ready, maybe tackle your garage, check out the video on your screen right now to get some motivation and see how we cleaned and reorganized our entire garage for under 50 bucks. We'll see you in that video.